Hello the internet, and welcome to the CNRL Library Innovation Studio home workshops. We're going to be making workshops for primary school kids, teens, adults, preschool kids. We're going to be doing all sorts of sciencey stuff, including some indoor gardening, cooking, some science pranks. The idea is to have as much fun as possible. You might learn something along the way, but that can't be helped. Now, to do these workshops, we're only going to be using things you'll commonly find around your home. So, instead of throwing everything out with the recycling next week, hang on to your cardboard boxes and other pieces of cardboard. You might want to keep hold of tins, bottles, glass bottles be very useful I think. Some interesting boxes, not sure what we'll do with those yet, but good idea to hang on to them anyway. We're also going to need plastic bottles. Big ones like this, smaller ones as well, so long as they've got a good lid on top that keeps them nice and firm. You also might need a few things like Ziploc bags, so long as they're not too disgusting. That'd be great, hang on to those too. We'll be releasing these online workshops as we make them, so keep an eye out on Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, @InnovationStew or #InnovationStew. You'll also be able to find them with some extra materials on our website, which is innovationstew.com.au, and just look for the home workshops link. Please like, share and subscribe so you and others can join us on the next CNRL Library Innovation Studio online workshop. See you next time!